A traditional piccolo coffee, also sometimes referred to as a piccolo latte, contains just one shot of espresso or ristretto in a demitasse glass, full to the top with silky smooth, steamed latte milk. What is a piccolo coffee? Piccolo translates into small from Italian, but this drink isn't simply a small latte: one, typically served in a 3 to 4 ounces, 85 to 114 milliliters glass. 2 includes a single espresso with steamed and stretched milk. 3 has a small amount of microfoam on top ml glass. It was described as 1 part of espresso and 2 parts of steamed milk with a layer of silky foam on top. More specifically, a shot of espresso, around 20 to 30 milliliters, with 40 to 60 milliliters of milk. Most importantly, how are you going to make your piccolo? The exact recipe is, as always, down to personal preference, but here are some tips to help. To make a piccolo, extract a shot of espresso, between 20 to 30 milliliters, steam your milk to around 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing enough air into it to create some microfoam, but ensuring it's stretched and silky. Pour between 40 to 60 milliliters of milk onto the espresso at a slight angle with a bit of height. This allows the milk to mix nicely with the espresso. To finish, allow a little room for a small layer of foam on top.